So Simon's a bit upset because there were some people near us, there were camp near us, that have basically said to us that we're doing the wrong thing. We shouldn't take our kids into Karijini at this time of year. It's too hot for them. They won't make it.
She didn't actually say that though. She just implied it. She was like, oh, you're going to... She overheard a conversation we had with the lady in the Tourist Information Centre who didn't feel the need to tell us it was going to be hot and not... Maybe we shouldn't be going. But this lady, I heard you were going to Karijini. Yeah. It's going to be hot. Yeah, no shit. There's some big walks there. Yeah, I know. That's where we're going. The kids might struggle. They'll be right. They probably get into places you can't get into.
Caught behind Venetian blinds, had to reach for the city lines. This ain't where I belong. Hey, look at me, man, what I've become. I've been running east, looking for a sunset. Digging deep.
Welcome to camp. This is Yule River Free Camp. It's on Wikicamps. It's south of Port Hedland on our way to Karijini. Check out this amazing place. Come on, I'll show you around. Dinner tonight, we're having chicken and mashed potato and veggies and sunset. The boys are just behind me here having a ball in this sandy area. The water is just behind me, maybe 50, 60 metres, and apparently we can go for a swim. Yeah, dinner tonight off grid. How's this? How good is this? I love this. Like, we are out in the bush and I'm cooking on an induction hot plate and using a Thermomix at the same time. No worries. No worries at all. It's good. It's not really bush cooking, is it? It's just living. It's just stunning. I've been craving some gum trees and riverbeds for a while, so pretty happy we found this place. Pretty happy. All right, we're gonna enjoy some drinks and watch sunset. Then I need to go to bed early tonight. I've been staying up late watching shows and it's not been good for me. I need to get to bed. I've one of those personalities where I get addicted to something and then I have no self-control when it comes to binge watching TV. I binge watch TV. If I like something, I will binge watch it till it's done. 2, 3 a.m, I'll binge watch it. All right, dinner's almost done. What are you up to in Hinter? Oh, busted. Just eating the nuts, are you? Having some nuts with some
nibbling on some nuts?
Oh, stop it. How's power?
10%.
That's crazy.
40 amps to cook dinner. Not bad.
That's so good. 10% of our power to cook for half an hour with a Thermomix and induction hot plate. Crazy good. Crazy good. I still remember being in the kitchen back at home, well, where we used to live, and Simon told me how much he wanted to spend on the battery setup, and I was like, what? And then he told me what it would be able to do, and I was like, yeah, that'll be worth it. And he was right. It's so worth it. I love it. We've never looked back. Like, it was expensive to put in. I totally agree. It's not for everyone. We live full time. You know, if you're only going for weekends, maybe, you know, consider that investment. But it's, I'll tell you what, I'm so happy with our power setup. It's amazing. Love it. This is the best mashed potato. So good. This is a half recipe if you've got a Thermomix.
Down the sandpit slide.
How's that for presentation, darling?
Look at that.
We're just making our way to a free camp just outside the the Karijini National Park. The landscape, the drive here it's been busy. It's a lot of trucks are using this road. Simon's been frothing at how many axles they have and all this other sorts of stuff.
This is definitely where UHF radio comes into its own, though, is that yeah, being able to communicate with all the other road users, particularly these big road trains, is invaluable. Most of them have been overtaking us because we're going a bit slower than them, but yeah, they call us up and it just makes it way safer, much less stressful as well.
This landscape that we're driving through now, it's previously been quite flat and open, and now we're really getting into this quite hilly territory with lots of low shrubs, lots of spinifex, a bit of trees. The earth here is just this crazy rich reds and like deep browns, and then on top of it it's this beautiful yellowy green, and it's just stunning. Like, it's crazy stunning. I'm so excited to see what Karijini has to offer. It's gonna be stunning. It's gonna be hot. It's gonna be bloody hot, but I think it's gonna be worth it. These rock formations out my window, they remind me a lot of like fungus growing on a log with all these little shelves coming off them. They're really cool. The shape of it is crazy. It's so good. I didn't really know what to expect. Yeah, very happy.
Caravan coming south into the gorge.
What way, mate?
Heading southbound, mate.
I'm coming north, mate. North there.
Yeah, copy.
There's a sign on the way into this gorge that you need to call up on channel 40 if you're heading southbound. And so we've called up, and there's obviously a truck coming. It's like, yep, no, wait there.
Cheers, guys.
No worries, mate. Short but steep little walk down into the gorge. I think we'll knock this out and then go and hang out down there for quite a while. At 1, 2, 3, go! Yeah. Oh, that's better.
I've just packed all the, what do you call these things? Ingredients in containers so the wraps don't go soggy, because when you are hiking with wraps in backpacks, it doesn't go well, especially if tomato is involved. And anyone who knows me knows there's not many things that I do not, or that I'm fussy about, but soggy bread is one of them.
Clearly very fussy about husbands as well, because, you know.
Super high standard with husbands and wraps. And soggy bread and soggy cereal. Cannot be done. Presentation, I don't get any awards, but bacon, lettuce, tomato, onion, avocado with sesame dressing. What do you reckon, Doc?
Pretty fancy BLT wrap. Where we are, I'm happy with that.
Hi, Mom.
What do you think of Hamersley Gorge?
It's good.
It's good.
That's
Hamersley Gorge, done and dusted.
It's stunning here. It's so worth it. It's a really short one. It's 500 metres in, 500 metres out.
If that.
If that.
That's easy. Oh, well, it's steep, steps, but she's not much of a walk.
No, and there's lots of swimming opportunities here. There was a few people here when we got in the afternoon, but it's pretty much cleared out now. We had it to ourselves for a little bit, and we've just got a few other people here now enjoying the sunset, which is fair enough because it's a beautiful spot.
Just as that sun has dropped away out of the gorge, it just gets beautiful in here. The colours come alive, and yeah, it's just unreal. Really good when you're camping nearby, but I'd recommend staying until around sunset because
packing dinner was a winning idea.
Yeah,
it was so good,
mate. It meant we could just chill out all afternoon and enjoy it. The boys went for another swim this afternoon, and all Harrison did really. James didn't want to play ball, didn't want to listen to the rules, so he got pulled out. But yeah,
just sit in the naughty corner.
Yeah,
Karijini naughty corner. It's a rock over there.
Speaking of which, we better get these kids out of here and get them up to bed because it's getting on. And yeah, what a great afternoon.
If I wrote you a song, if I got every word perfectly weighted on a thin piece of paper, would it make any difference? Would it change for the better? If I wrote you a poem, if I posted a letter? Is it maybe because I never knew quite where I was, and suddenly you told me maybe you're lost, but I am too, whatever the cost.
Well, how bloody good is this? Hey, darling.
Oh my gosh. This is stunning. I can't describe how beautiful this is. if you look out the window there, maybe Simon will show you, it's just this beautiful mountain range. And then out this side, it's views. And then there's this beautiful gum tree over here with this beautiful texture all over it. I'm so happy. And I've got wine and my family with me. It's beautiful.
And what she's not telling you is it's actually our wedding anniversary today. So
Yay.
6 years married today. A few extra years in that together.
Is it 14?
14 years or
14
something.
years together.
But 6 years married, and the boys just picked us a heap of flowers and put them in a little jar for us for our anniversary, which is beautiful. And yeah, you couldn't ask for much of a better spot, I reckon, to hang out for your anniversary. So this is, I don't know what it's called.
It's called Buddha's Rest.
Buddha's Rest or something.
Buddha's Rest. It's Buddha's something.
On the
Buddha's Rest.
It's right near Hamersley Gorge. It's a
Danger
bloody
boy.
good little free camp, and there's no one else here at the moment, and it's pretty late in the arvo, so I reckon we might have it to ourselves tonight. You've got this awesome view out this way to the sort of south, I suppose, to the north, to
Simon
the west.
knows which way he's standing, which way east.
Well, roughly. I mean,
South,
the
northwest
sun's
is
setting
like-
there. Sun's setting there. That gives you a clue.
Oh yeah, but
The moon just rose over there. That gives you another clue. I'm
I'm directionally challenged
Yeah,
at the best of times.
directionally challenged. More than just directionally. Righto. So
He's a brave man after 14 years, aren't you? You worried that
you're
he's stuck with me
You're
now.
comfy now. I feel like it's a hassle factor to get rid of me now. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this one. As always, do the things that make you feel good. You know, give us a like, a subscribe, leave us a comment. Let us know what you think of the trip so far. Let us know if you've been this way, if you've never been up this way. We've had an absolute ball getting from Broome to Karijini, but extremely excited about what the next few days are going to bring as we explore the area a bit more. And then we're going back to the coast. So stick around for that. Until next time, we'll see you next Sunday.
Bye, guys. Yeah, and ran. We gotta go to Woolies. Let's stock up on some fruit and veg before we go to Karijini, so that we're well prepared with snacks for our kids for the big hikes that we're going to do. Just cut. Don't put this in, Simon.
Wasn't planning on it.
We just had to make a quick pit stop before we left Port Hedland. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. Oh, that's still filming. I'm gonna overuse the words stunning, beautiful, gorgeous. Oh, I'll use them all. Was that your bum trumpet?
Yeah.
You just did a little fart.
The song.
Oh, that's right. It's the little camera.